are the one that, now of course UK, that put PM where he is today. Or why is he from France? Gacha conference, but I know nothing. Everywhere okay. We need to start connecting the dots because for her to say this, and she said now, no so boy na media this if you this boy in Burkina Faso. This boy in Burkina Faso. Because you're in France now, and to you are defending France because of no market on the France. If you how selfish and wickedness of these people. And you think to you is normal. Okay, if you eat body buggy the two, what you could make you're not gonna back on in the school. There's difference between my customer how far and customer how are you my friend. There are two different things. As all you need to in a street, you need to have some element of education, like at least there's difference between customer how far now and how are you my friend. They are not the same thing, and they can only say that if you have some basic education. It's valuable. Daniel said, so she is talking of coming together until under fallback group, or what was she talking about? She don't even know what she's talking about, my brother. You can see that she's confused. She's probably working for the French government. Exactly. From if you this her comment now speak volume. That she's not that. Let me take it back. That she's the only one not talking about that boy in Burkina Faso. And the man calling her, all of these people calling, they are coming. They're making comment from France. They are all French people.
Can you everybody see we're there together? Okay, they're together.
They're together in their camp in France. Now, quick get.
Just once if I need an agile, I need it. Now, my real money getting
because it's also this the Abraham
the man be complain that Ibrahim because of okay these are people telling Hannah, okay, but we still have a long way to go. Listen, pay close attention from here, please, my people, because this is somehow an eye-opener. Let us just reason together on this one before we end this book. This is the last part of the video, to be honest with you.
Everybody see we're there together. Okay, we're together. We just want to see if I need an agile. I need it. Now, my real money
because it's also this the Abraham diamond and your suppose that it is that again. One that I'm putting you where all man any now my the only people need a support from one man the cat that one. My brother, that's why that's how the last day can get for you. I can get it like that. I do the devil soon after to stay, let's pop them this year, right? This is our dog.
Attack Obie, as Obie Manoya, the careful and down one dodger. The careful.
I thought you did too much to white girl and
you make it a book was a watch. So some more
No. I will clip this one. Let me clip you from this one. I will clip you now.
Yeah, I got that.